Hi everyone, today I'm focusing on the connection between the gut microbiome and mental health in children. My topic is called Nurturing the Gut, Nurturing the Mind, Supporting Children's Mental Health from the Inside Out. The research I looked at shows that early life experiences, stress, and nutrition can shape the gut microbiome, which then influences brain development and emotional regulation. To fully understand this topic, it's important to first know about the gut-brain axis, which is a two-way communication system between the gut and the brain. The gut microbiome interacts with the brain through the nervous system, the immune system, and neurotransmitters. This means that what is happening in the gut can directly influence mood, stress response, and behavior, particularly in children. In the first article by Hansu and Ziemel, Stress Gets into the Belly, Early Life Stress and the Gut Microbiome, it focuses on how early life stress affects the gut microbiome in children and adolescents. Early life stress includes things like trauma, neglect, family instability, or chronic stress. The research shows that these experiences can actually change the composition of the gut bacteria and reduce microbial diversity. In children, higher stress levels were linked to lower gut diversity, changes in specific bacteria, increased inflammation. These biological changes are important because they are associated with anxiety, emotional dysregulation, and increased risk for depression later in life. What I found really powerful is that these effects can last into adulthood, meaning early experiences can shape long-term mental health outcomes. The second article by Nelson, Gut-Brain Axis Theory in Social Work Education, expands on this idea by looking at how the gut microbiome connects to behavior and emotional health. In children, the research found that certain gut bacteria were linked to lower aggression, sadness, and emotional reactivity, while stress and family dysfunction were linked to less healthy gut profiles. It also reinforces that mental health should be viewed through a biopsychosocial lens, meaning biology, like gut health, psychology, and environment, because these are all connected. This is especially important in children because their brains and microbiomes are still developing, making them more sensitive to both harm and healing. The biggest takeaway is that children's mental health is deeply connected to their physical and environmental experiences, including gut health. Stress and poor nutrition can disrupt the gut, increasing the risk for anxiety and depression. But there's also hope. Research suggests that targeted dietary changes, including nutrients like omega-3s and support for healthy gut bacteria, may help buffer the effects of stress and restore balance. Because of this, diet, supportive environments, and early interventions all play a powerful role in improving mental health outcomes in children. To pose some discussion questions on gut microbiome and mental health in children, I'd like to ask the three following questions. 1. How might early childhood environments influence both gut health and mental health outcomes? 2. What role do you think nutrition should play in treating anxiety and depression in children? 3. How can schools or communities support healthier environments that promote both gut health and mental health? Thank you for listening to my presentation on Nurturing the Gut, Nurturing the Mind, supporting children's mental health from the inside out. As you read the references, I would like to leave you with this quote from the Hansu article. Because the gut microbiome is modifiable by diet, this presents a potential intervention point for stress-disrupted microbiota.